Imagine being able to create bright, student friendly anchor charts in seconds instead of spending hours designing them in Canva or hand drawing them. Today, I am going to show you how you can use AI to instantly generate visual aids that are clear, simple, and perfect for your classroom walls. Welcome back to User Friendly Classroom, where I help teachers save time using practical AI strategies. If you want anchor charts that actually help your students without taking forever to make them, this video is for you. First, you're going to want to choose your AI tool. You can use Copilot, ChatGPT, or even Gemini. All of them can generate layouts, text content, and even the visual design. The key is knowing what to ask for. Start by asking AI to create the content of the anchor chart. Here's a template that you can copy. You can find this prompt in the description box. I'm going to read through it. Feel free to tweak it to meet the needs of your classroom. The prompt follows: create a fully formatted, colorful, student friendly anchor chart on the topic of, and here you would insert the topic. The anchor chart should include a short, simplified definition that elementary students can understand, 2 to 3 clear examples, easy to read sections with bold headings, built in visuals using text icons such as the following: a colorful, engaging layout that looks like a real anchor chart, clean spacing, clear organization, and kid friendly vocabulary. Return the final chart as a colorful, student friendly anchor chart. So if you copy and paste this and enter it into any AI software, you will see that it will generate different types of anchor charts ready to use. Let's look at an example. Okay, here I'm logging into Gemini and I copied and pasted that same prompt. And I'm just going to scroll back up to where it says to insert topic. And I'm going to change that. And instead of where it says insert topic, I'm going to type author's purpose because I want to generate an author's purpose anchor chart. Next, I'm going to select the arrow. And I'm waiting for Gemini to generate this image. I am using Nano Banana, which is an image AI, which is going to help to turn that information into an actual chart. Yes, it takes a few seconds for the AI to think, but just in a matter of seconds, look what it has generated: an author's purpose anchor chart. Wow, think about how much time you're actually saving. Be sure to always read over the anchor chart that it creates to check for any typos. Remember, AI can make mistakes, so it's important that you vet it, look at it carefully, and if there is a mistake, all you need to do is let the AI know what needs to be fixed, and it will regenerate the anchor chart with the corrections. Now it's your turn. Using the prompt that's in the description box, I would like you to create a student-friendly anchor chart for your next upcoming lesson. Leave a comment with the topic that you chose and what AI software did you use. Did you use Gemini like I did? Did you use ChatGPT? Or maybe you decided to go with Copilot. This is an awesome way to save you a lot of time when creating student-friendly anchor charts. If the chart feels too wordy, You can always prompt the AI by saying to rewrite this anchor chart as at a third grade reading level or whichever reading level that is suitable to your students. And that's how you create a clean, student friendly anchor chart in minutes instead of hours using AI. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the User Friendly Classroom. I appreciate you being here and listening and learning. Till next time.